Hi everyone, Loxy Productions here. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own art using AI. You will need Google Chrome for this. The website I'm going to be using for this is in Spanish, so if you want to translate it, I will show you how. Go to the Chrome Web Store and type Google Translate. Download the one that says available on Android. Once it is installed, click on the extensions icon and pin it. Now open the website in the description, click on the Google Translate icon and click on Translate this page. If at any point during the video you get an error, refresh the page and start again. Next step, you're going to click on every single start icon, one at a time, and wait for the one you started to end before starting another one. Some might take a while to do, but please be patient and don't touch anything while they're running. You don't have to change any setting on these sections. Do this until the parameters section. Now that you have reached the parameter section and that every single previous section has a green check mark, you can change the image range parameter to 5. In the text parameter, type whatever you want your art to be like. You can change the resolution, but it might not work for everyone, and if it doesn't, then put it back to 480 by 480. That's all you're going to have to edit, and now you can click on Do the Execution. If you've done everything right, it should give you some pictures. You will have to wait around 15 minutes to get something decent, so don't be impatient and don't stop it early. It is not necessary to wait more, as results will change less and less over time. If you don't like how the image turns out, you can stop and start again the generate box to get a different result. When you're satisfied, go back up and click on the stop icon. You can now download the image by right-clicking and clicking on Save Image As. If you want to get a video time-lapse of the AI creating your art, click on Generate a video with the results. Once it is done and says, El video está listo, you can click on View Video in Browser. Wait a little bit and then you can watch it. If you want to download it, click on the 3 dots on the right of the video and then click on Download. That's all. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you're gonna have a lot of fun with this AI, and I'll see you next time.